Hello everyone. In this video, we will go through the top attractions to visit on the beach in the United States. Beaches in the United States vary in terms of their appearance, but many are known for their long stretches of white or golden sand, clear blue waters, and scenic coastal views. Some of the most popular beaches in the USA are in Florida, California, Hawaii, and the Carolinas, which offer a variety of recreational activities such as sunbathing, swimming, surfing, fishing, and beach volleyball. Other popular beaches, such as those found in the Pacific Northwest or along the Great Lakes, may have unique rock formations, stunning sunsets, or rugged shorelines. In general, beaches in the USA offer a range of scenic and recreational opportunities for visitors to enjoy. The United States has a wide variety of beaches to visit, each with their own unique characteristics and attractions. Some of the most famous and popular beaches include 1. Waikiki Beach, Hawaii. Known for its clear waters and white sandy beaches, Waikiki Beach is a popular destination for tourists. 2. Miami Beach, Florida. Known for its nightlife and Art Deco architecture, Miami Beach is a popular destination for tourists. 3. Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Known for its wide sandy beaches and family-friendly atmosphere, Myrtle Beach is a popular destination for tourists. 4. Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Known for its picturesque lighthouses and charming coastal towns, Cape Cod is a popular destination for tourists. 5. Coney Island, New York. Known for its historic amusement park and boardwalk, Coney Island is a popular destination for tourists. 6. Outer Banks, North Carolina. Known for its wild horses and beautiful beaches, the Outer Banks is a popular destination for tourists. 7. Venice Beach, California. Known for its colorful street performers and Muscle Beach outdoor gym, Venice Beach is a popular destination for tourists. 8. Santa Monica Beach, California. Known for its famous Santa Monica Pier and beautiful sunsets, Santa Monica Beach is a popular destination for tourists. 9. La Jolla Beach, California. Known for its rugged cliffs and sea caves, La Jolla Beach is a popular destination for tourists. 10. Clearwater Beach, Florida. Known for its clear waters and white sandy beaches, Clearwater Beach is a popular destination for tourists. 11. Panama City Beach, Florida. Known for its white sandy beaches and party atmosphere, Panama City Beach is a popular destination for tourists. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to stay updated and get more good topics from the Top 11 Information channel.